Junko think him own pickney white. Junko think him own pickney white. Do you know what that means? This means people will always see positive in their side as opposed to the other side. For clarity, this is a thing that came from slavery that thought that, a white child was better than a black child. So Junko, thinking that his child is white, is thinking that he has a better child. The joke in it is all Junkos are born white, but eventually become black. Now let's use it in a sentence. Me keep talking to her, but she no listen. You don't know, Junko think them own pickney white. The English version to this would be, I kept speaking to her about it, but she won't listen because she thinks she knows better than everybody else. That's one way it could be translated. And finally, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Yeah man, if you have the time, take a click on one of the links up top and, take a vision on one of the other lessons we have or one of our entertainment feeds. Blessed.